bumper is being split and I need welding. So now I've pulled the plastic in place to where it should be sat. You'll like this repair. Hold this for 10 seconds and it warms the staple up. Melt it into the plastic to stitch the plastic up prior to repair. So you put it in, give it a little twist to make sure it's embedded in. Let go, let it set, pull out. All stitched up now, sturdy, solid. You only take these plastic weld jobs on when it's within, like within the bumper, not on the edge, because it's just too tricky and unreliable doing them on an edge. Like, say that's alright, but say somewhere like up there by the light, the bumper wants to like pull apart. In the middle here, it's solid. So the trick with these is stick, twist, because when you stick, twist, it twists inside and then you snip them off and like the metal's embedded inside. 19 staples it's had, so now what I've got to do is sand all that down, weld plastic into the middle on that crack and weld it together with a soldering iron, and then I can do a repair over the top as I normally would. Still intact at the bottom, the bumper. I'm very picky with these kind of jobs I do for a reason, and rightly so, because if it doesn't last, it's a waste of time. So when it's all together and it's just in the middle and it's held together, it's structurally sound. So I see one of these repairs regularly that I've done on my nan's car 7 years ago and it's still fine. So what I've done is I've welded some plastic and, you know, joined that line up that was there, the split, and this is a fiberglass that goes over it. So the fiberglass just adds that, you know, extra layer of protection and security because it's a waterproof filler. So obviously I just need to give this a finishing skim now. So you can see that's a solid repair. It's stuck on nice. It's nice and flat. It's not protruding at all. We need to give it a finishing skim now and then prime it, paint it, lacquer it. That was the finishing filler then. It's flexible, you know, because these bumpers, you can see this here, it's just very, very thin Hyundai bumper. I mean, so it's got a bit of flex in it, ready to paint. Don't want to hit it too hard, but that is solid. I don't have the colour match police on me. Looks off, but look at this side, it's the same, which I haven't done. So let me know in the comments if you like these longer videos and I'll start doing some more.